Yo, what up? It's your boy Joe Paul. Now, I don't really like this song, but I like entertaining everyone. So here's my treat to you guys. Couple broads in Atlanta, San Francisco to Canada, Louisiana to Maryland, Jaco, Costa Rica to Panama. So what? She look like a panda, koala bear bigger like Santa. I'ma go Jones and Diana, ratchet chick with a man in the slammer, dressing up like a blood or a crip in a crib, different day, different color bandana. She loving my tongue when I lick, cause I let her take pics and vids with the digital camera. Got broads in Alabama, tatted up, talking that grammar, sounding like Future or Life of Designer. Nope, I can't understand you. Got chicks soaking their panties, flooded like Hurricane Sandy. Some think I'm funny, some think that I'm ugly and try to get money, they snorting that candy. Well, I got broads in Miami, sitting all day on the beach with they tanning, sending me message of how I'm the best. Last night's performance could've won me a Grammy. I'm keeping it rugged, pop star, but I'm secretly thugging. Known in the street as the lyrical beast, but I still keep it 100. Strike like lightning and thunder, sharp like knife that I cut you. Think that y'all slick when I'm taking your chick? Where your broads go, I'm making y'all wonder.